So another fun technique to try is called generation stamping. And really all it is you have one stamp, in this case I'm using a tree, one ink pad, and you stamp it 3 times without re-inking it, and you'll get different hues or tones or tints of the original color. And it's just a fun way to get a little bit of depth, have a little bit of interest with a very, very simple technique. So all we need is a piece of cardstock here. I've got my ink pad. I'm going to ink my stamp. And anytime you ink it like this, especially once if it's not, doesn't have permanent ink on it, you can see exactly where the ink is. You want to make sure that it's completely covered properly. And I am doing this a little bit to the side. And like I said, I'm immediately stamping it again, and then again for the 3rd time. So each time I stamp it, there's less ink on the stamp, which results in the image having the appearance of different colors when you actually don't. So super simple, super quick. Let me get this out of the way so that I don't get it on my piece while I'm gluing it together. I've got my mat already cut. I'm going to glue that onto my card base. And I'm just eyeballing it so that it's center. Some people prefer to use a ruler to make sure that it's center, but I find that I can eyeball it pretty good, and because I'm using liquid glue, I can shimmy it in place if I don't initially put it completely straight. And then place the second one. And there we go. So this works better if you have a silhouette stamp or a stamp that's got a lot of surface area on it. If you were to do it with an outline stamp like something like this, it would make no sense, because there's never really an instance I can think of that you would want that stamped a couple times. And also because there's such fine lines to this, you're not really going to see a whole lot of difference to it. So you definitely want to use this with some more solid images. We'll see you in the next video.